Ted, thank you very much. Population-wise, marriage has been on the decline for more than a half a century, as many couples are choosing simply to live together without making it official. So, do such couples have the same rights in Nevada as married couples? In today's Law Vegas Now, Eric Palacios will help us understand some of the differences that do exist in our state. What is it when it comes to couples, if they've lived together for a long time, does it count? Are they treated the same way, as far as the law is concerned, as a married couple?
That's an excellent question. In some states, they are. It's called common law marriage. And if you live together and express to all your friends and family and to the world that you're husband and wife, even though you're not legally married, you can be treated as a married couple and get a divorce if it comes to that. Nevada does not recognize this type of marriage. So in Nevada, unless you are legally married, you will not be treated as a married couple.
So is there such a thing then as domestic partnerships, and are they recognized as such?
There are. And these initiated before same-sex marriage was legalized. So they could live as a couple and then share the assets and benefits and everything else. Now that this is legal in Nevada, then there still exists such a thing as a domestic partnership. Some people, for one reason or another, do not want to formally get married, so they can do this, but it has to be registered. You can't just write a piece of paper and keep it in your safe or keep it at home.
All couples, whether it's man, woman, man, it's the same.
It needs to be registered with the state in order for it to be valid.
Okay. What about cases where there's never been a marriage, maybe they lived together their entire lives, or at least their adult lives, and then one passes away, or what happens? How are assets divided?
This happens a lot when you have a couple that's been together 20 years and one of the two passes, and the remaining person thinks that they're going to inherit because they've lived so long. That doesn't happen unless there's a will. They can not inherit, or they won't. It'll go to the family. So if they've lived together for years and years but never been married, and there is a separation, you basically have to treat it like a company that's separating, or a partnership.
Yeah.
So it's a civil lawsuit and not in family court, and you basically have to fight over assets like you would as if you were dissolving a business.
All right, good as always, Eric Palacios. Thanks so much for being here. For more information, you can give Eric Palacios and Associates a call at that number on your screen, 444-7777. You can also visit their website at ericpalacioslaw.com.